You want to see the inside of the dishwasher, so I'm going to show you everything that you have to know. All right, so I'll show you the three main connectors or connections that you're going to have here in the dishwasher. So the first one that you're going to have here, as you can see, this is a little bit bigger than the other connectors. I'm going to show you anyway later the other dishwasher, so that way you can see. So for instance, in this case, we have the entrance of the water, so this will be the inlet. Here we have the pump. This is not like a pump, it's like more like a valve. So it has a electromagnetic mechanism, so that way when it has the power here, it will let the water get in. So basically you have water here 24/7, and once the magnetic, the electromagnetic system will get activated, the water will get inside of the dishwasher, and that's it. Very easy. So basically when you're in the front of the dishwasher, here you have this is the bottom of the dishwasher, so this is the legs that you can use to adjust the height of the dishwasher. And in the bottom, you should, on the other side, you should have basically the same thing here. So basically that is for that. And most of the time you're going to put the dishwasher and you don't need anything else. You don't have to do this, but if you have to, you are going to be able to, to increase or decrease the height by doing this. Another thing is sometimes if it's too tight, you will have to cut this, or if it gets rusted, or you should use it by hand, so that way you can remove it. But other than that, let's keep working on the other connector. So basically here, as you can see, here we have the motor. So this is the water pump. So basically when this motor starts spinning, all the water that is on the bottom of the dishwasher will get exhaust through this pipe. And this pipe that you see here, or this water hose, this will go to the garbage disposal. So that way all the waste, is going to go through that area, and that's it. So this goes usually under the sink in the kitchen. Or if you don't have a garbage disposal, you can connect it directly to the drainage, and that's it. And then we have the third one. So here is the power. Without power, you cannot make it work. So basically, you're going to connect the hot one and the neutral. The neutral is the white one, and the hot one is the black one, and the ground goes here. Usually you have a screw here. So basically you have a box here. When you're accessing in it from the front, you're going to remove the plate. There is a plate here, and then you're going to do the connection. I prefer and I recommend always to all my customers if they can have a plug here. So basically you're going to have the connections inside of the box as usual, and then you're going to have the power cord here. So that way you can connect it directly to the wall, and that's it. If you have to replace the dishwasher, you just unplug it, and that's it. Also, it's safer because you don't have to deal with the power. So that is the advantage. Now I'm going to show you the other dishwasher that I have, so that way you see the different type of connectors. But usually, anyway, it comes with an adapter when you buy the new one, so that way you can connect the other one. All right, so this is another dishwasher. As you can see, this is the top part, this is the bottom. So as you can see, here we have the other type of connector that I was talking about. So basically you can screw it in here, and that's it. So basically this is the inlet. Here we have the outlet. In this case, it seems like it has two pumps. So we have the pump, because this is the bottom of the dishwasher here, and you have another pump here, and this is the drainage that you saw just before. And here we have the wiring, for the power, and that's it. So some of them, they are metal, some of them are plastic. In this, most of them, they're all plastic. I saw one Bosch, it was all metal except this section that was plastic. But other than that, that is very simple to connect and to do everything that you need. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, let me know in the section below. Also, if you want to learn more about this, I have in the playlist more videos about appliances and how to connect them. Thank you for watching. See you next time.